Hi friends, this is Bilal Haider and this is yet another video part describing my EA, and this expert advisor is the hedging expert advisor and its version 3.1 is up and running on my website. You can get it for trial and so that you can test it, back test it and run it on a live account. Live account means that you can run it on demo account, okay? With real money you cannot use it. So you can test it on demo accounts and you can download its trial version from my website. You visit my website, the link is here, and you go to downloads button and you will find this download button, this one. Okay, this is the hedging expert advisor version 3.1. so in this video part, what I'm going to show you, I'm actually going to show you how much profitable this expert advisor is and also some drawbacks of this expert advisor. So this expert advisor I have added on this demo account from 19th of September and today it's 27th of November. So from 19th of September and now it's 27th of November, it's growing and growing and growing and growing and growing. So it's making profits all the time. So whenever it places a trade, this software is it looks for the market and it detects the trend based on some indicators, and once the trend is detected, it places a trade. If that trade goes in our favor, it closes it, and it looks for another opportunity to start a place, buy or sell. Okay, but if your place trade goes in against you, it will place another trade based on the always in profit forex hedging strategy, and it manages your first trade which this expert advisor has opened in such a way that you always end up in profit. Okay, so this was pretty much the simple strategy on how it works. Well, I have posted lots of videos about this strategy on my YouTube channel. If you are not familiar with that, go ahead and watch that video which is on forex hedging strategy. Okay, so before I tell you the drawdown of this expert advisor, I must tell you some history here. So you can see here I'm currently running it on 6 currency pairs, and this USD JPY, it placed a trade of it and it went in our favor, and the target was about 40 pips and it closed in profit, so that was fine. But this trade which EA has placed of Australian dollar versus US dollars, it placed the trade, but this trade went against us, so it placed another trade with increased lots of Australian dollar versus US dollar and opposite type of trade it placed. Okay, but this time this trade was in profit, this was in loss. You calculate both of these, sum up both of these and you get profit for it. So whether you start with a sell trade, whether you start with a buy trade, whatever, this expert advisor will end up that trade in profit. Okay, and some examples of this expert advisor were pretty this example here. Okay, this example is pretty let me see, 0.1, 0.3, 0.7, 1.6. Okay, so these were the trades, these 4 trades, these were placed by this expert advisor and it managed all of them, so the sum of all these trades is equal to profit. Okay, so it never ends up in loss. It placed this trade first, then this trade went against us and it placed this trade, then this trade also went against us, then it places this trade and this trade went against us, it placed this trade, but this trade which this expert advisor has placed, it went in our favor and when this trade went in our favor, it closed all the trades at the same time. Okay, so this was in profit, this was in profit, this was in loss, but the loss is less than the profit, the loss is less than the profit, so it's always ending up in profits. So this was pretty much very simple about how this expert advisor works. Now let me tell you the drawdown of this expert advisor. As for this date, which is 20th of November, and the drawdown was about 15%, but after this period the drawdown went about 32.55%, which was a big drawdown. And this drawdown occurred because we were using it on a pair which was USD JPY, and this pair was not volatile. This pair stuck in ranging market. Okay, the market was moving just like that, up and down, up and down. It was not breaking out in either this direction or in this direction. So it placed about 6 trades for this currency pair, and because of placing those 6 trades in one cycle, the drawdown went to 32 point something percent. But those 6 trades were also ended up in profit, and you can actually go ahead and watch it in my account history. You can just go back and just see it. So now let me go ahead and show you profits, about how much profit it is making daily. So after adding the version 3.1, this software has made $866 profit in one day. So this was a pretty big achievement here. So then it made $270, then it made $37, $459, $207, $408, $381. So basically, and today it has already made $71.02. So this expert advisor is pretty much always in profit, and it always brings you profits daily. But the con of this EA is the big drawdown. So to solve this, you want not to go down that much drawdown. Okay, so what you need to do, you can go ahead and use it on certain days, and that is provided in version 3.1. and you need to analyze the market, and you need this software very safely. Okay, you need to find out days when market is more volatile, and then you need to use this software. So this was pretty much all about this video part. And don't worry about this thing, it says Trade Manager version 1, but it's actually not the Trade Manager version 1, but it is actually the Hedging EA 2014, and its version 3.1 is running currently on this account. So I think this is all for this video part. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I hope you have learned about my expert advisor. You can go ahead, download it for testing, and then come back to me and purchase it from me. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Have fun. Take care. Bye bye.